This video, I want to talk about a setting that is turned on automatically on YouTube when you're posting videos. But if you're a new channel and you want your videos to be pushed to a new audience, to new people, you definitely need to have it off. And I had no clue of this. I just found out. I want to show you what it is. Let's go. You're uploading your videos, so you're going to put your title right here, the description right here. Don't forget to put some hashtags here with keywords. And once you are putting your thumbnail, so let me put my one. So here, altered content, make sure you make no. Automatic chapters, you can put that. Here, the tags, I've got them ready right here. There's a little bit too much, so I'm gonna get rid of some of them. I'm gonna get rid of this one, and I will get rid of another one right here. Okay, so we got our tags. Actually, I'm gonna add this one, get rid of this, and put this one that looks good, and this one, and I'll get rid of this one and this one. Okay, the one setting you need to make sure you don't have, if you want your video to be pushed to more people, is right here. So publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscriber. Do not put that. Don't put it. You probably won't be able to do that if you use your phone to publish your video. It's going to be available on the computer, on the desktop, on the YouTube Studio. So make sure you untick this. Then manual review dubs before publishing. Yeah, you can. I love video and audio remixing. I always put yes. Don't forget to put the category, the comments. Make sure it's on, because the more comments, the better. And that's it. Once that's ready, we have everything ready. There's no paid promotion. Make sure it's not made for kids. And no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Then you can put next. Monetization, monetize, so I can put on next. Then here, I know it's none of the above. Submit rating, you can do it manually. I always put an end screen, sorry. So you can add the end screen. I usually put one video plus one subscribe, but you know what? I'm going to put one playlist. It's good to have a playlist on if you can, because I'll put the subscribe right here, because your audience can view all your videos right there. So side hustle ideas, and that's it. All right, and make sure you keep it unlisted for a few hours before you publish it. That's going to help as well. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this was useful. If it was, please don't forget to give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And today is day 17 of my YouTube challenge, where I'm posting every single day for 30 days to experiment and see if it does actually grow a channel. I'll let you know at the end of it. I did give you a little feedback already on day 14. So if you want to watch the video, you can go ahead and get my opinion. And I will give you more feedback later on. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 18. See you guys.